Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your ROBOROCK S20 having weak suction power. Check whether your filter is blocked, your brush is tangled, or your dustbin is full. Let's clean all of it. Remove the robot from the charging station, then open the cover on top. Squeeze the two parts together to remove the dustbin. First, check the filter. Sweep away particles or rinse it with lukewarm water, then let it air dry for 24 hours to prevent molding. Make sure the dustbin is empty. You can rinse or wipe it, but if rinsed, let it dry for 24 hours as well. If the suction power is still weak, check the main brush. Squeeze the two buttons together to open the cover and remove the brush. Make sure it rotates freely. Check for hair, particles, or cables tangled around it. When putting it back, the red brush goes on the left and the gray one on the right, matching the colored holes. Close the cover. If the issue persists, check the suction power settings in the ROBOROCK app and set it to your desired level. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.